This video covers Morehouse's homework from Thursday, December 1st. Eli has 8 pints of ice cream. If a serving size is 2/3 a pint of ice cream, how many servings does he have? Estimate first. So, if you know that he has 8 pints and a serving size is less than a pint, I want you to start by making an educated guess for how many pints of ice cream, or how many servings of ice cream, because that's the question, how many servings of ice cream Eli has. Did you estimate yet? Okay, good. Now, we can draw a model to answer this question. We know that we're starting with 8 pints of ice cream. And so I can draw a bar diagram to show 8 pints. Now, each pint of ice cream I'm recording a video. I'm not talking to myself. Sorry, guys. Each pint of ice cream has a certain number of servings inside of it. Let's backtrack for a second. We know that a serving size is 2/3 of a pint of ice cream, and we have 8 pints of ice cream in total. So, we can split up each of our pints into thirds, and we could do that throughout the whole tape diagram. I'm just going to do a little bit of it. And you know that a serving size of ice cream is every 2/3. And so we can start counting how many groups of 2/3 are in this tape diagram. Now, you'll be able to find the answer because you'll know how many servings of 2/3 are inside of 8 pints of ice cream. You could also have solved this question by writing a division sentence. Something divided by something would give you the same answer as counting the groups of 2/3. Then you'll check your work with a related multiplication sentence and answer the extension question in E. If you get stuck on this one, make sure to check in with me. It's very similar to our exit tickets from Tuesday and Wednesday in class. But if you need more practice, we can go over it on Friday, so make sure to let me know. Question 2 is just another factor question where you have to write the multiplication sentences and decide if they're prime or composite. If you need help on question 2, just go ahead and go back to Monday number 2, because I go through how to do all the factoring with prime and composite numbers in that video. In question 3, you're writing a division sentence. Again, pretty straightforward. Read carefully and annotate. And in question 4, you've just got more decimal multiplication. Tonight's homework should all be things we've practiced, which is why I'm not recording the beginning of questions 2, 3, and 4. But again, if you need help, make sure to check in with me.